In this video, we will show the effects of spying malware on an unprotected mobile app and an example of a countermeasure. Let's find out what happened to John, who just downloaded and installed a lookalike custom keyboard app from an unofficial app store. This app looks legitimate, as it was issued by a well-known company or a government agency. But this app is in fact a spying malware, disguising as a legitimate custom keyboard. John thinks he can safely use this cool custom keyboard each time he needs to authenticate himself with online resources. Now John is going to use an app to access remote online resources. This app does not present any sort of protection and lets John use the cool custom keyboard he has downloaded. He enters his PIN number. John does not realize it, but the PIN number is sent to a remote server. His authentication credentials are disclosed, and a cyber attacker can now access John's online resources. John tries again. Each time John uses his custom PIN pad, he risks disclosing private information. What countermeasures are available for this situation? Let's see what happens when John uses an app which integrates Gemalto's in-app protection. John now uses this protected app to connect to online resources. Immediately, the malicious custom keyboard fades away and is replaced by the in-app keyboard. John uses this in-app keyboard to enter his PIN number. Let's see how it works. Your app features a virtual keyboard that John uses to enter his PIN number. We can see on the right-hand side of the screen the old PIN entered through the unprotected app. The new PIN, entered with the in-app keyboard, can't be displayed. The spying malware can't capture the PIN entered by John. When John uses the protected app again, we can see that the keystrokes are at a different location on the screen. This is a randomized keyboard to mitigate over-the-shoulder PIN capture and malware, which could capture the touch events on the screen. And as before, the spying malware can't capture the PIN entered by John. We presented one of the many security options that the Gemalto Software Development Kit can offer. Gemalto Software Development Kits help industries and governments protect their apps against constantly evolving cyber threats while addressing user convenience. Gemalto supports multiple industries, including banks, governments, enterprises, transport operators, MNOs, and OEMs around the world.